Well, it is the 55th anniversary of Earth Day, and a lot has changed since 1970, from record-setting hurricanes last year to tornadoes sweeping across the country.
Hey, but a nice day today, though.
Very beautiful.
Celebrate Earth Day. 22 News reporter Jack Will was live in studio with a look at the origin of the day and how the landscape has changed.
Well, Nick, it is a beautiful day, but before Earth Day, laws that protected the climate were close to non-existent. And while the creation of Earth Day has done a lot of good for the environment, we're still facing the impacts of warming weather. The first Earth Day was in 1970, when Wisconsin Senator Gaylord Nelson called upon college students to raise awareness towards environmental issues of the time. This directly spearheaded the creation of the EPA and grassroots environmental justice groups. Sierra Club chapter president Vic Mohanka told 22 News many climate-related problems are caused by societal issues.
Cities like Springfield have some of the highest asthma rates in the country, and that doesn't happen just because of the lack of environmental regulations. It happens because of income inequality. It happens because of redlining. It happens because of our transportation system.
Since the 1970s, Earth Day has grown into a worldwide movement, and it's especially important now as we start to see the impacts of a warming climate. Massachusetts experienced its third warmest year on record in 2024, according to the National Weather Service, with temperatures 2.3 degrees above the average. While this doesn't sound significant, Michael Rollins with the Climate System Research Center described the real-world effects from small change.
They seem like small numbers, but that's a big, big change in the climate system, and that warming has effects. In the wintertime, we're often right around freezing. You warm the climate up 2 or 3 degrees, and that's giving us more unfrozen days.
And I'm now joined by 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Brian Laffis. Brian, you and I are both very familiar with these warming temperatures that we've seen recently. Can you tell us if those are going to continue throughout the week?
Yeah, I was just looking at our climate averages here. So average high temperature for today, climatologically at Westover Air Reserve Base, 64 degrees. We're in the upper 70s in many places here today.
I know.
And more 70s on the way for the rest of the week.